The greatest thing about innovation is that it's not a process of technology creation. It's a process of value creation. And when we talk about value creation, the value creation is more people-oriented.
People, again, coming from the laboratory don't have that knowledge and the workflow, how products should be developed from discovery to the market.
So the Lean LaunchPad brings this dynamic learning process into an organized learning mechanism. Critical benefits is really helping sharpen the match between the value proposition that people believe they have and the true needs of a customer. It informs them as to what are the elements where they really bring value and where that product market fit is.
It's a platform for thought experiments on business models. Researchers can now have an approach to quickly evaluate the commercial potential of their inventions.
Changing behavior on the ground is not just about technology. Getting an innovation implemented requires understanding of the complexity in the interrelationships between customers, regulators, suppliers, competitions, and customers' customers.
The program plays a very important role in helping to educate the research scientists and engineers to understanding the market and customer needs. The Singapore government is rapidly expanding the support for R&D, and so this program will help to educate this whole generation of scientists and engineers to improve their ability to commercialize their technology.
One important teaching of Lean LaunchPad is about the search, the methodology, the discipline, and the rationale of the search. It pushes the team to go beyond their comfort zone, to go out into the real world, to search for the customer who need their solutions.
After a series of interactions with various kinds of people through the customer discovery process, we realized that there is a new set of stakeholders that actually play a role.
Doing 100 interviews in such a short span of time actually pushed us to develop deep customer insights.
Customers don't care if you have more features than your competitors. Customers care that you get the job done for them. So we focus in the competitor analysis exactly what is the job to be done by all the alternate providers, including yourself, and then identifying what is the gap for each of these providers, including yourself, that is targeting towards the market.
It helped us to bridge the distance or the gap between technology and the product. We had several choices for the product based on the same technology, and it's through LLP program that we could refine our preferences and priorities and choices.
So it's a systematic and methodology for the researchers or scientists to look at the inventions, look at the technologies, and try to find the right business model for the technology commercialization. And therefore, we use a very systematic way of doing it called the business model canvas.
The business model canvas and the methodology keeps us on track and propels us forward each week.
The greatest impact from the Lean LaunchPad for us was to be connected with really good mentors.
The mentors are very well connected in the industry, so they can link us up with the main decision makers of big companies, which saves us a lot of time.
This program allows, I think, mentors with a lot of experience in the commercial world to share with the participant and reinforce some of the things the instructor has shared during the session.
Is to being able to work with other mentors who are also observing and commenting on what the teams are doing, because often they provide perhaps a fresh perspective.
One of the best takeaways from this program is that we learn how to look things from the investor's perspective.
Getting access to the industry experts and resources, getting feedback and guidance from our mentor who is very experienced in this field.
There will always be new discovery, new learning, and new surprises.
Well, LLP program is a safe environment for one to translate the ideas and innovation into money.
A truly unique and supportive entry point for researchers who want to engage with the business world.
It was really the structure of the program.
Be connected with really great mentors.
The get out of the building approach,
the customer discovery process,
like the business model canvas,
the competitor analysis,
and roll it out as a learning process. Stimulate and focus the commercialization of some of your best technologies. And that is powerful.